你好, I'm Jingyu. Welcome to my channel. I will continue to update Chinese language learning courses and share Chinese culture. If you are interested, please follow me. Today we are going to learn how to express seasons and climates in Mandarin. Let's begin. First, the first season, spring. 春天 Please repeat. 春天春天春天 Okay. Summer is 夏天夏天夏天 Okay. Autumn 秋天 Please repeat. 秋天秋天秋天 Okay. Winter 冬天 Please repeat. 冬天冬天冬天 You can use 春夏秋冬 to describe the four seasons. Next, let's look at the climate. Warm 温暖温暖温暖 Hot 炎热炎热炎热炎热 Cool 凉爽凉爽凉爽凉爽 And last one, cold 寒冷 Please repeat. 寒冷寒冷 Alright, let's review. Spring 春天春天 Summer 夏天夏天 Autumn 秋天秋天 Winter 冬天冬天 Okay. Warm 温暖温暖 Hot 炎热炎热 Cool 凉爽凉爽 Cold 寒冷寒冷 Very good. If I want to say spring is warm, I would say 春天是温暖的 Here, 春天 means spring. 是 means is. 温暖的 means warm. Together, it means spring is warm. Please repeat. 春天是温暖的。春天是温暖的。Or I can say autumn is cool. 秋天是凉爽的。Please repeat. 秋天是凉爽的。If you want to say summer is hot, you can say 夏天是炎热的。夏天是炎热的。Or winter is cold, is 冬天是寒冷的。冬天是寒冷的。Good. Okay, if I want to know which season you like, I would say 你喜欢什么季节？你 means you. 喜欢 means like. 什么 means what. 季节 means season. Together it means which season do you like? 你喜欢什么季节？你喜欢什么季节？ You can answer 我喜欢。If you like spring, you can say 我喜欢春天。我喜欢春天。Or I like autumn is 我喜欢秋天。我喜欢秋天。Please tell me which season do you like? 我喜欢。我喜欢。Very good. Alright, let's review today's video. Spring, 春天。Summer, 夏天。Autumn, 秋天。Winter, 冬天。Okay, warm, 温暖。Hot, 炎热。Cool, 凉爽。Cold, 寒冷。Spring is warm. 春天是温暖的。Autumn is cool. 秋天是凉爽的。Which season do you like? 你喜欢什么季节？ I like 我喜欢。Okay, this is today's video. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Practice documents are available below the video. You can download if you need. If you are interested in my channel and want to learn Chinese, please follow my channel. 再见。